Today I'll be showing how I draw a Carron Crawler as part of this series of classic D&D monsters. The D&D Monster Manual describes Carron Crawlers as oversized insect-like creatures similar to a centipede or silverfish. It has multiple large tentacles, which it uses to poison and then paralyze its prey, as well as a large set of biting jaws, which it prefers to use after its prey has been incapacitated. As its name suggests, a Carron Crawler is a scavenger, and it seeks out a meal where it may already be trapped, hurt, or otherwise easy to pick off. It will often be found in caves, sewers, ruins, or dungeons, where it can scurry across the ceilings and surprise unwitting prey who wander into their ambushes and forget to look up. The drawing was blocked in as a quick gesture, and then I went directly in with Copic brush pen to ink in the large shapes and block in the shadows with black. I continued with a marker pen, size 0.5, for adding additional fine details, texture, and some cross-hatching for shading. I also used some Copic markers for additional value and an opaque white pen for some corrections. This final animation and color is quickly done on my phone with an app called CapCut, which has a number of handy presets for things like basic animation, texture, as well as adding color. If you enjoyed this and would like to see the rest of the series, check out these links and be sure to like and follow me here or on Instagram. Thanks for watching.